Nimesh is waiting by for a D Street chatter, so let's go across. Nimesh.
Hi, Rima. So, as Prashant pointed out, at day is high, and actually, while market is led by large cap names, especially Reliance is helping the bulls. The sense I'm getting is this market lacks a bit of momentum on the broader market. So that's the overall feedback. Even while the Nifty is up 100 odd points, the flow seems to be on the negative side, largely from the FI. So probably we'll see a sell figure from the FI side. That's the feedback. In terms of sector, real estate stands out in terms of buying interest. So some bit of momentum seems to be back in the real estate names. And on the other side, financials is where there is a selling pressure. So even within the financials, the private banks, especially the likes of HDFC Bank, continues to see selling pressure, and all the NBFCs are under pressure today. So that stands out in terms of sectors. I think technically the next level to watch on the upside would be 19,250, 19,300. That's a big resistance to watch out for. But broadly, it still looks like it's a short covering rally, and the flows are still negative from the larger FIs.
Okay, and what about stocks, Nimesh? What have you gleaned out?
In terms of individual names, the first stock is AU Small Finance Bank. Remember, it was part of my chatter on Friday as well. The deal is announced. They have announced the merger with the Small Finance Bank, but the stock is under pressure today, back of disappointing numbers, but also there is strong selling pressure, is what I understand. So it looks like some long only fund seems to be active seller in AU Small Finance Bank today. So that's the first one. The second stock is India Bull Housing Finance, a bit of intraday recovery as well. And there was a feedback that there are buy flows now at larger FI desk. I guess there were some multiple blocks as well. So looks like one of the large sellers has potentially cleaned out in today's trade, and hence you're seeing an up move in that stock in today's trade. The third stock is Alkem Labs. A bit illiquid, so to speak, but again, in Alkem Labs, the feedback is that maybe some large only fund seems to be an active buyer. So there are buy flows at select FI desk for the last couple of days, and that's the case today as well. And the last is a combination of both Devyani and Varun Beverages. Both for the last few days is seeing selling pressure, and that continues today as well. So it looks like some large funds looking to exit at high levels in both Devyani as well as in Varun Beverages.
All right, Nimesh, thanks very much for that. So that's VC chatter and the stocks that you need to watch out for. We'll take a very quick commercial break here. We'll come back and we'll have our technical experts joining in with what to buy or sell today for a reverse trade tomorrow. Stay with us.